Hello everybody, I am here again for another spread in my foundation journal, and I'm going to take this paper clip off until I've finished this page. I've got this stencil. This is one of the new stencils that I bought, and it's got circles. I am somewhat obsessed with circles. I like them a lot. So I'm going to take some Archival ink in coffee, and I'm going to try to get the this half circle. It's hard to do because this page is this signature is pretty full. So this page is raised up. Takes some doing to get the stencil, the blenders inked up. And I know I moved it, but hopefully this will be okay. Okay, so, it's just, it's rough, which I like. Let's see, what did I do with the top? Well, before I do that, I wanna go ahead, and I've got a claim check, code check ticket, and I'm gonna ink this up because this piece of collage paper is also inked up. Okay, so that's that. I have got a couple of stamps. One is a circle. It's actually part of a circle and then a tiny circle. I'm gonna do that with black. And as we talked about yesterday, I'm going to ink my stamp rather than stamping my ink. I'll try to get it. I may have moved it. Oh, this looks pretty good. Okay, and then on this side, I've got a botanical, but I'm also going to do it in black. And I'm going to put that right here. Okay. Not complete, but it looks pretty good. All right, I've got these pieces of collage paper, a couple of circles that are in blue to kind of go with that. This one doesn't really go, but I think it's makes it kind of attractive. I like it. I'm looking for my glue stick. Okay, I'm going to put this down with glue stick. And then I've got these two circles, which are thicker papers, so I'm going to put them down with Fabri-Tac. This is the larger one, so I'm going to put it down first. Got lots of strings. Hold it down. And then I've got this one with all the strings, the threads out. Okay, I think that's that page done. So I'm going to put this back on there. Okay. A small piece of paper that don't need. And because I've got this is that, what did I've forgotten what it's called. But anyway, this is some of the paper that I turned into fabric, and I put that as a page in here. I will get the name of that again. Khadi, it's Khadi paper. Put this down. This was a piece that I got from Leaca Young in a packet that I bought from her. I've got this piece, the coat check. I'm going to put right there. And then I stitched up as a piece of canvas, a piece of fabric, and a piece of lace that I sewed together. And then I pinned it with a rusty safety pin. So again, this is fabric, so I'm going to put it down with Fabri-Tac. I should turn my glues upside down, but I don't have them in a container to do that yet. Okay, I've got that. I'll put the top on it because I think I'm done with that. The top back on my inks. I'm going to take a number 2 pencil and just do some scribbling on here. Kind of ties everything together. Okay, and I've got some words over here. I can get them out together, and I'm going to put them down with the glitter glue. I'm going to cut them into 3 pieces. Okay, so we find getting away from me. We find interesting. These came out of my guidepost. I sometimes just sit down with a pair of scissors and the guidepost, and I just go through and pick words out and then put them in a container to use later. Blue's not coming out coming out very well. Let's see. There's my pen. Let me just see if I can loosen it up a little bit. with it. We find interesting things. And hold it down a bit. I'll wipe my pen off because it's got goop on it. Put that back. And I want my Stabilo. And I'm gonna dip it in water. Don't want a bunch of water, but just enough to kind of activate it a little bit. Okay, so I believe that that's it for this spread. We have circles, and we have botanicals, and we have green things, blue things, and green things, and we find interesting things. So I want to thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you again tomorrow. Have a great day or night.